Hello children, Senior KG craft paper folding. Today we will practice paper folding, fan fold. Take your craft book, Vikas Infant Craft, page number 25. Hello children, take two different colored papers. See these two different color papers. This is your craft paper. Stick this paper with glue. See, this is glue. Stick this paper with glue. See. Then we will fold it. Take, this is first fold. Then second. Then front. Back, front, back, front, back, front, back. It helps to develop your finger muscles. Children, do this carefully and slowly. Fold this way. Okay. आगे पीछे, आगे पीछे. See, finish. Then stick here. See, spread some glue here. Spread some glue here and stick this way. Stick this way. Then and you can stick here. This is page number 25. Spread, stick properly. Stick properly. This is your fan. Okay. This is your fan. This is your fan.